Good morning, students. This is your math class and we are going to continue our session. We have discussed about the exercise 4.2, I think question number 1 and some parts of second question. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss about some difficulties in exercise 4.2. Okay, so let us start with the second part of second question. Question number 2, second part. Most of the students were facing problem in this part. So question is pi x plus pi equal to 9. Pi x plus pi equal to 9. Find the four solution of the following equation. This is the given equation and you have to find the four solution of the given equation. I have already told you how to find the solution of this equation. For finding the solution you have to draw a table. So you will draw a table like this and you will draw two rows. You will write here x and y, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So rough work is when you put x equal to 0 in the place of x, when you will put x 0, यहाँ पे जब आप 0 put करेंगे, what you will get the value of y. When you will put here 0, then this becomes 0. When it becomes 0, then y equal to 9. So the value of y will be 9. So first answer is that. Next, put the value of y equal to 0. मैं आपको बता दूं कि जब भी सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करते हैं तो सबसे पहले एक बार x 0 रख देते हैं और एक बार y 0 रख देते हैं, तो टू वैल्यूज आपको बहुत इजीली मिल जाती है विदाउट एनी कैलकुलेशन. व्हेन यू पुट y इक्वल टू 0, देन यू विल गेट pi x इक्वल टू 9, देन x इक्वल टू 9 upon pi. That will be the answer. 1 minute. Okay, so x will be 9 upon pi. So the value of 9 upon pi. Okay, now put y equal to 1. When you put y equal to 1, then what you will get? Pi x plus 1 equal to 9. 1 को move करेंगे, then pi x will be 8. Then x equal to 8 upon pi. So when you put y equal to 1, then you will get 8 upon pi. Then you will put y equal to 2. Then 9 minus 2, 7, 7 upon pi. So these are the four solutions of this equation. You can write as 0, 9, 0, 9, sorry, 9. x की वैल्यू फर्स्ट लिखते हैं हम लोग 9 upon pi, 0, then 8 upon pi, 1 and 7 upon pi, 2. This is the answer. Okay? Now let's take question number 3. Fourth part of question 3 is question 3 part 4. In the fourth part, equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. You have to check root 2. You have to check root 2 comma 4 root 2 is a solution of this equation or not. Okay? So मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि जब भी आपको एक पॉइंट दिया होता है तो उस इस कोऑर्डिनेट में आप देखेंगे कि रूट 2 क्या है, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ y. सो put x equal to root 2 and y equal to 4 root 2 in equation, in given इक्वेशन। गिवन इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, x की जगह पे रूट 2 माइनस 2 एंड y की जगह पे 4 रूट 2। व्हाट यू विल गेट, रूट 2 माइनस 4 2 8 रूट 2 एंड रूट 2 माइनस का 8 रूट 2 कितना बचेगा, माइनस का 7 रूट 2। But you can see in the RHS 4 is here, so minus 7 root 2 is not equal to 4. It means LHS not equal to RHS. जब LHS not equal to RHS है, so this is not a solution of this equation. Okay? So यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, so it is not solution. Okay, now start our last question of question number 4 from exercise 4.2. that is also very simple. Equation is given 2x plus 3y equal to k. You have to find the value of k when put x equal to, I think given 2 and y equal to 1. Okay, put 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to k. That is 4 plus 3 equal to k. So k equal to 4 and 3, 7. That is the answer. And lastly, we will discuss a new concept. What is that? That is the graph of a linear equation in two variable. Okay? हम लोग linear equation in two variable का ग्राफ कैसे प्लॉट करते हैं उसको और देखेंगे। एक क्वेश्चन लिखें। क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 4.3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, x plus y equal to 4. That is the question. You have to plot a graph for this equation. So what you will do? Same thing. You will draw a table. जब भी ग्राफ बनाना हो आप एक टेबल ड्रॉ करेंगे, 4 सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करेंगे, that is x and y. When you will put x equal to 0, you will get y equal to 4. When you will put x equal to 1, you will get y equal to 3. At 2 you will get 2. At 3 you will get 1, and at 4 when x will be 4, then y, when x is 4, then y 0. These are the solutions. Okay, now let's draw a Cartesian plane. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the points are positive, so we are not drawing the negative part. Okay, so first point is 0, 4. That is 0. That is origin. So 0 and 4 by axis पे है, तो that is 0, 4. 0, 4. Second 1, 3. That is 1 and y axis पे 3 कहाँ है? 1, 2, 3. तो ये पॉइंट जो होगा ये है 1, 3. नेक्स्ट है 2, 2. That is 2 and that is 2. ये पॉइंट आपको मिलेगा. That is 2, 2. Next 3, 1. That is 3 and y axis पे that is 1. Such like this. That is 3, 1 and last 4, 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 3, 1. That is 3, 1 and that is 4, 0. 4, 0 on x-axis. Now draw a straight line by joining these points. Yeah, such like this. So this is a straight line. Okay? So मैं आपको बता दे रहा हूं कि जब भी आप लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स का ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे आपको ऑलवेज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन ही मिलेगी. अगर आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं मिल रही है तो इट मीन्स your solution is not correct. Okay, I think it's enough for today. Tomorrow we will discuss the another questions of exercise 4.3. Okay, thank you class.